subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. The snake and the mirror. Now we are through the questions and answers of the snake and the mirror. I discuss in pairs and answer each question below in a short paragraph, 30 to 40 words. Question 1. The sound was a familiar one. What sound did the doctor hear? What did he think it was? How many times did he hear it? Find the places in the text. When and why did the sound stop? Answer. The doctor heard some noise from above when he opened the door. He thought that the sound was of rats. He heard it 4 times, including the sound he heard when he opened the door. Again I heard that sound from above. Again came that noise from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. The sound stopped when the snake appeared in front of the doctor. Question 2. What 2 important and earth-shaking decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror? Answer. The 2 important and earth-shaking decisions that the doctor took while he was looking into the mirror are: I. He would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. 2. He would always keep that attractive smile on his face. Question 3. I looked into the mirror and smiled, says the doctor. A little later he says, I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. What is the doctor's opinion about himself when I. He first smiles, and 2. He smiles again? In what way do his thoughts change in between, and why? Answer. I. When the doctor smiled first, he was thinking that his smile was very attractive. 2. When he smiled again, he was thinking that he was a poor and stupid doctor. His thoughts changed from being a handsome doctor to being a stupid doctor between the 2 situations. His thoughts changed because his life was now in danger. 2. This story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. What makes it humorous? Think of the contrasts it presents between dreams and reality. Some of them are listed below. Question 1. I. The kind of person the doctor is: money, possessions. 2. The kind of person he wants to be: appearance, ambition. Answer. I. The doctor is a person whose earnings were meager. His house was a small rented room. He only had 60 rupees, some shirts, dhoti and a black coat. 2. He believes in making himself look handsome. He decides that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache. Question 2. I. The person he wants to marry. 2. The person he actually marries. Answer. I. He wants to marry a fat woman doctor who had plenty of money. 2. He marries to a thin reedy person with the gift of a sprinter. Question 3. I. His thoughts when he looks into the mirror. 2. His thoughts when the snake is coiled around his arm. Write short paragraphs on each of these to get your answer. Answer. I. When he looks into the mirror, he thinks that he has a very attractive smile. He decides to put on that smile on his face always and to shave daily. He seems contented when he looks into the mirror. 2. When the snake is coiled around his arm, he keeps sitting there holding his breath. He thinks that he is a poor and stupid doctor. He is terrified by the snake's presence. Thinking about language. Here are some sentences from the text. Say which of them tell you that the author, A, was afraid of the snake, B, was proud of his appearance, C, had a sense of humor, D, was no longer afraid of the snake. Answer. A, was afraid of the snake. Sentences. 1. I was turned to stone. 3. The arm was beginning to be drained of strength. 4. I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, "Oh God." 5. I didn't tremble. I didn't cry out. B. Was proud of his appearance. Sentences. 6. I looked into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. 8. I was after all a bachelor, and a doctor too on top of it. C. Had a sense of humor. Sentences. 9. The fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. The rascal could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. 10. Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache or using eyeshadow and mascara or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? D. Was no longer afraid of the snake. Sentence. 2. I was no mere image cut in granite. 7. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. 2. Expressions used to show fear. Can you find the expressions in the story that tell you that the author was frightened? Read the story and complete the following sentences. Answer. 1. I was turned to stone. 2. I sat there holding my breath. 3. In the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. 3. In the sentences given below, some words and expressions are italicized. They are variously mean. That 1. Times is very frightened. Times is too scared to move. Times is frightened by something that happens suddenly. Times makes another feel frightened. Match the meanings with the words expressions in italics and write the appropriate meaning next to the sentence. The first one has been done for you. Answer. 1. I knew a man was following me. I was scared out of my wits. Very frightened. 2. I got a fright when I realized how close I was to the cliff edge. 2. Scared to move. 3. He nearly jumped out of his skin when he saw the bull coming towards him. To be suddenly surprised or frightened by something. 4. You really gave me a fright when you crept up behind me like that. 2. Scared, frightened. 5. Wait until I tell his story. It will make your hair stand on end. Feel shocked or scared. 6. Paralyzed with fear, the boy faced his abductors. 2. Horrified to move. 7. The boy hid behind the door, not moving a muscle. 2. Frightened to move. 4. Reported questions. Report these questions using if, whether or why, when, where, how, which, what. Remember the italicized verbs change into the past tense. 1. Meena asked her friend if she thought her teacher would come that day. 2. David asked his colleague where he would go that summer. 3. He asked the little boy why he was studying English. 4. She asked me when we were going to leave. 5. Pran asked me if I had finished reading the newspaper. 6. Seema asked her how long she had lived there. 7. Sheila asked the children if they were ready to do the work. Thanks for watching. If you have new user, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. You get notification of new useful videos when upload, and also click the like button and share this link to your friends and students.
यदि आप नया यूजर्स हैं तो हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए।